This is official. It does not make sense, to be honest.
I cannot believe this.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the reveal. I think this is the reveal. No, maybe not. I think I'm gonna have a meet. I don't know. I have no plan, man. I'm like, my brain is gone a million miles an hour. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the title and thumbnail or whatever it may be, but this is the day I'm achieving one of the biggest goals way back when I first started riding. When I was like 18, 19 is when I got my first bike, but before that, when I learned more about bikes and got into them and stuff like that, I saw, of course, the famous clip of the Ninja H2R going crazy on the dyno, and I was like, saw videos about it and all that, and I was like, oh my god, that's the bike that I want. Ever since then, it's just it's been kind of like the ultimate dream bike. I always said that, like, you know, it's too unattainable, you know, at least in the near future. I was like, maybe one day I might get one, but like for the most part I was like, it's too expensive. It's a $60,000 bike, 60 plus depending on, you know, your taxes, fees, stuff like that. And I was like, it's not even road legal, blah blah blah. So I was like, there's no point. One day I'm gonna get me an H2. So got my H2 when I was 22. Was, I mean, a dream come true. It was my dream bike. I worked really hard for it and all that. But then got the rest of the collection, stuff like that. And sorry, we just got here and I'm like, I haven't been this excited in a very long time to get like a motorcycle. You know what I mean? Like, this is not something small. This is not just any other bike. This is the original dream bike. This is like what really got me like hooked on motorcycles. Like, seeing that machine existed, the world record that it holds and everything like that. This is the bike that, like, I was like, oh my god, this thing like exists. You know what I mean? It's kind of like when you discover a hypercar and I was like, who made this? How is this like possible? So this is the bike for me, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. And honestly, I just want to thank everyone for all the support and everything like that. If it wasn't for all of you guys, I probably would have had 3 to 4 bikes. As a bike enthusiast, motorcycle enthusiast, I'd probably have the Ninja H2, my V4R, M1000RR, and like the R1M, and then I would have stopped there. But thanks to you guys, I'm pushing the limits, and I'm getting more and more bikes for not only your entertainment but also for my pleasure, because I do love these bikes and I love collecting them. It's like big boy toys. So yeah, without further ado, I just wanted to thank everyone and, you know, show my appreciation to all of you guys for the continuous support. And this bike is very expensive. Obviously, it's a big risk. You know, there's a lot of risks that evolve around it, but I'm doing it because we're aiming for that 1 million subs. So subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's go check out the bike and work out the deal, and everything should be good. I should just go sign some papers, load the bike up, and that's it, because the bike has slicks on. It's a track bike, so, you know, I'm not gonna ride it with slicks with my first time. It's a brand new bike, 2 miles. So yeah, let's go. All right. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, he has all this strand and everything. Sorry, I didn't mean to sneak up on you, but
Thank you.
this is it, man.
Yep.
This is it. Oh, okay. It's official before it's official.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Let's go do the papers and
yeah.
finalize everything, and then we'll get back to this thing. All right, sorry guys, I did not film signing. Got carried away and a little too excited, but the file is here.
Here you go.
Thank you very much, and the key, you can place it on
Congrats.
top.
Yep.
It's done. That's it. Let's take it. We have another key, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
keys in the cabinet. I'll grab it right now.
Okay, so we have a second key as well. This is official. It does not make sense, to be honest.
I cannot believe this.
I'm keeping this paper and I'm like probably gonna like frame it or something, honestly. That's sold to me. Guys, I'm a little bit freaking out, a little bit, but officially have an H2 and an H2R. This is stupid. Here's
There's
the other key. Nice. All right, now we're gonna take her out, load her up. I don't think I'm gonna be riding it today. We'll see if I can resist. We'll see, because the bike, as you see, it has slicks on. And this bike still has like about 50 more horsepower than my H2, and it's a lot lighter. And it's brand new. It has 2 miles on it. So, you know, my H2, when I bought it, wasn't brand new actually. It had like about a little over 1,000 miles, I think, or something like that. So this is literally brand new, and I do not want to mess it up or do anything to it. So, you know, try to be safe. I already ordered a set of tires for it. And I'll talk about the plans, what I'm gonna do with this bike, because I always said if I ever got another H2, it has to be chrome. And as you can see, this is not chrome. So we'll talk about the details, because this is gonna be the craziest H2R you ever see, and it's gonna break the internet. So this is not even, I'm not gonna keep it like this. You guys already know me. It's gonna be full custom. It's not gonna do something crazy, but it's on brand for the stuff that I do. If you know me, then you know what I'm gonna do to it. But yeah, I cannot believe I own an H2R now. This is it. We signed the papers. Everything is done. The keys are literally right here. So we're gonna take it outside. We'll start it, and yeah, load it up, and that should be the video. But also, if you guys want my V4S Corsa, actually I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but if it's still here and you want my V4S Corsa, it is here at Molly Motorsports. So come check it out. Come grab my V4S Corsa, please. It's an amazing bike, but you know, I got rid of it to get the H2R. I think most of you are going to be happy with that, since I still have my V4R, and that bike is staying as long as, hopefully forever, if it doesn't break. But yeah, it's honestly still like doesn't register to me. It's unreal. This is the first time I actually get a bike that I'm super excited about, because a lot of the other bikes I've been getting recently, like the Super Duke, the Rush, all of those, some kind of like bikes that, like, yeah, they're cool and all, but it's not like a crazy dream bike that I've always wanted. This is, you know, you guys know me, the H2 is always my dream favorite bike. So this is the ultimate version of the H2, and this is the original H2R exhaust. So all these other exhaust brands and stuff like that, they try to make replicas of this. This is the real deal. This is not no replica, no nothing. Everything is the real Kawasaki engineering spaceship, pretty much. And you can see the really exposed, way more exposed than the H2 supercharger right here. Here's that big boy. But yeah, the only big downside of this bike is that because it's like a track bike, race bike, there is literally no fans. So there's no fans on this bike, but it has a massive air filter in the front, because it's designed to be on the go. So it's gonna be a little tricky if I ride it in traffic or in like really high temperatures. So I'm definitely gonna have to figure that out once we, you know, get everything else sorted out. But yeah, face to face with the H2R. I already dropped my key. Great. All right, I'm gonna pause this here. We'll take it out and we'll start it and we'll load her up. This is crazy. Hey, we're matching.
Yeah, Yeezy boys. We got these New Balances on. I've got no Yeezys.
Shout out Connie, it's her birthday today. Wait, is it actually? Yeah. It's Connie's birthday today? Yeah. How funny is that? I bought an H2R on Connie's birthday. Hey, at least you guys already scratched it, so I'm not too worried about first scratch. Yeah?
We did it last time. Yeah, we loaded up last time through there.
We just fell over a couple times, but
It's fine, as long as it falls over.
It buffed out, yeah.
Sure. It'll be good.
We had our guy Esteban do a paint job on it.
You guys have a 7-day return policy, right?
No, this is not CarMax.
Is this still
Yeah,
filming?
it's recording.
okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Get it on camera as is, no refunds.
As is, no refunds, yeah.
Guys, I'm getting scammed over here.
Don't
Once
worry.
again. This ramp is that this little thing, when I go on it, it kind of like lifts up.
Yeah.
So somebody might need to just hold
I'll
it down.
you want me to, I can help push it up or something.
I guess we're doing the first startup and I'll ride it up.
Go. Wait. What happened?
It just popped up. I don't fucking know.
Hey, Flo or Denny, if you're seeing this, we didn't do this. It
Cut
just
this
popped
part
off.
out.
Cut the video.
Come here, the mic is warming up.
All right, go.
Actually, not that
First
bad.
ride, good?
Ride's perfect.
There you go. Beautiful.
Very nice.
So
They
this
don't
is-
sell totaled bikes.
Yeah.
Good. They did a good job on the repair.
He can't tell.
Esteban did.
Alright, we tied her down. Everything is good. She is solid in place. It's gonna be anxiety on the way back. Driving this thing, you know, it's fine. It's safe, but it's still a little, you know, I have an H2R on the back of this van, so I'm gonna be extra cautious. Ugh, I'm struggling lifting this thing. You got it? Okay. Yep. There we go. Whew. Locked up. Done.
All right.
It's official, guys.
All right.
Thank you very much. Well,
Yeah.
I'm officially leaving. That's what I mean.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you again. And as I said, if you guys want my V4S Corsa, check it out here. This video is probably going to take a sec because I'm going to do the reveal and the meet and all that. But yeah, time to drive home. Thank you guys. Later. Have a good one. This is crazy. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God. I can't believe there's an H2R back there. It doesn't make sense to me. This is crazy. Okay, make sure all my papers are here. The spare key is here. But yeah, all good. My brain is running at 1,000,000 miles an hour. It's not gonna register that I got an H2R for a minute. But yeah, sorry, I didn't get kind of like the signature and, you know, handing them the check and all that. I was too excited just signing papers. I'm like, let's go. So by the time we're done, I was like, oh, I didn't film it. So yeah, but it's not gonna set in that it's mine, even though it's sitting in the back of the van right now, right there. You guys can probably see it until I like modify it and like ride it multiple times and see it in the garage. Now it's going back to my garage. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be exciting. I might do a little ride, maybe. Actually, I don't know if I want to risk it. Like, as much as I want to do a first ride right now, I think because it's gonna take like about a week to get the slicks on. So I am not very sure, or maybe I will. I don't know. I'll decide on the way back. I might go to my buddy's shop and then ride it back home. But yeah. All right, we have an H2R on the channel now, guys, and I'm gonna be riding the hell out of that thing. It is not gonna be a garage princess. My H2 is more of a garage princess because that bike is very, I mean, this bike is very sentimental too, but the H2 is kind of like, that's the bike before I did YouTube and all that. That's the bike. It was, oh geez, anxiety every bump I go over. Okay, the bike is still standing in good condition, but yeah, it's definitely gonna be a stressful ride back, and I'm like in denial. So just thank you to everyone that is watching this video and that is supporting. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see this bike on the channel. I am gonna be doing a crazy build on it, as I said, and there goes my helmet. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.